If you're starting YouTube in 2026, you keep asking yourself, how do I find my niche? What do I post on YouTube? What do I create on YouTube? How do I choose the right content? Then this video is absolutely for you. Because finding your niche on YouTube is the biggest way to grow on YouTube. Grow on YouTube as a beginner. I'm Juanita. Welcome to Juanita's Create. Now, let's talk about how to find your niche step by step. First, let's simplify what a niche means. A niche means what your YouTube channel will be known for. When somebody thinks of Juanita Creates, what do they have in mind? That's what a niche is. What are you going to be known for on YouTube? What people will expect when they subscribe to your YouTube channel. For example, when somebody visits your YouTube channel, they should understand what your content is all about. Are you a makeup artist? Do you have things about makeup on your channel? Are you a braider? Do you have things about braiding? Are you a comedian? What you are known for? Are you a YouTube growth person? Is this channel about beauty tutorial? Is this channel about finance? Is this channel about making money and all of that? Each basically gives your channel direction. It helps YouTube recommend your video to your targeted audience. You don't need a perfect niche on day one. The next thing I want you to know is that you don't need to figure out everything in the very beginning. You have to even learn to be a content creator is not even easy. So you don't have to figure it out in the beginning. Along the line, you can know what you really like to create. That's if you're somebody that don't already have passion for something. Maybe you're not a makeup artist, you don't like tutorial. Even if you are a makeup artist, you might not want to teach people tutorials. A lot of beginners overthink niche too much. The truth is your niche becomes clearer as you create more videos. The goal here is not perfection. The goal is consistency and clarity. I'll be giving you 3 questions you should ask yourself to figure out what path you want to go on YouTube, to figure out how to find your niche. Here are 3 simple questions you can ask yourself to help you find your niche on YouTube. Question 1, what do you enjoy talking about? What topics can you talk about over and over again without feeling burnout? What topics do you enjoy talking about? That's the first question. For example, YouTube growth, content creation, makeup. Do you like to talk about makeup? Do you like to talk about tutorials? Do you like to talk about motivation? Your niche has to be something you enjoy passionately because you're going to be creating for a very long time. Your niche is something that even when they wake you up, you can do without feeling burnout, without feeling stressed out. Something you enjoy to do naturally is your niche because you would be creating for a long time. Question 2, are you learning something right now? What skills are you currently learning? Your niche can come from what you're learning. Somebody like me, I learned makeup in 2025. I can decide to have another YouTube channel, then teach on tutorials of makeup. You can learn something even right now as you're listening. If you want to come to YouTube to impact the world, to impact people, you can decide, I'm not too young, I'm not too old to go learn a skill. Maybe you have passion for makeup or hair or sewing. You can learn it, then come and teach people. To be a blessing to someone out there. Now I'm learning YouTube. I learn YouTube every day while also sharing what I learned or what has helped me or what is helping me on YouTube because I like to talk. I enjoy talking. I enjoy talking to the camera, and even aside the camera, I like to talk. If I'm not talking YouTube, I'm talking other thing, motivation. I just like to lift people up. I like to motivate people because the way I'm doing it, I'm also motivating myself. Question 3, what problem can you help? What problem can you help someone solve? This is really the most important one. People subscribe because you help them to solve a problem. How to start YouTube, how to stay consistent, how to be confident on camera, how to draw eyebrow, how to do makeup, how to do soft glam. They would naturally subscribe if they like your content. If you solve a problem, even if it's to one person, your channel becomes valuable. That means you have value to give to somebody out there. One mistake beginners make is trying to create content for everybody. That's the mistake they make. Try to create content. Maybe I don't really blame them because some people can have different passions. Some people can like different things. Some humans like 5 things. They try to combine everything in one channel. YouTube works best when you choose one clear audience. Ask yourself, who am I making videos for? Who is my video for? When your audience is clear, when your video is clear, YouTube would know who to recommend your videos to. Each doesn't have to be extremely specific in the beginning. Broad, but narrow down as you learn what works for you, what you enjoy creating. Lastly, don't change your niche too quickly. Tell yourself that I'm going to post 10 videos, 10 to 15 videos of a particular thing, then you see how it works. Before you change direction, give yourself like 10 to 15 videos before you change direction. Don't upload 2 to 3 videos, then start panicking. No, don't do. Consistency will help YouTube to understand your channel, to understand your right audience. When you post around one topic, the clearer your niche would become. My personal example is I know that I learned makeup. I can teach makeup on YouTube. I'm not doing that right now. I'm doing this one because I also like to talk. I enjoy motivating. I realized that my niche is helping YouTubers grow as a new creator. Even if I'm a new creator as well, I feel like we can help each other. We can motivate each other. I know I've motivated 2 people that I know now to start a YouTube channel. They've started. They're enjoying the journey. Guys, if you're struggling to find your niche, remember, start with what you absolutely enjoy. Solve one problem for one audience. Stay consistent for at least 10 to 15 videos. You become clearer and clearer as you keep creating. You will find out what you enjoy creating. Subscribe to Juanita's Create. Let's grow together. In all you do, keep growing. Bye.